Vodka lemongrass flambéed chicken on a grill pan with some cherry tomatoes. A lovely recipe. Very simple to make at home. Just marinate the chicken, tie in knots with some lemongrass, marinate for some time, and cook on a griddle. My name is Chef Ravi Savant. Let's start. To make this lovely recipe, we would require some lemongrass, fresh lemongrass. About 400 grams of boneless chicken, that would be sufficient. Barbecue sauce, some honey, good honey, and some mustard sauce, and some Italian seasoning and vodka. Lots of garlic and lots of crushed black pepper. This is all we need to make this wonderful recipe. So let's dig into it. Initially, what we do, we take some salt and marinate our chicken. Salt should be according to your taste, but remember all the sauces have salt. Now add good amount of garlic. This is about 70 to 80 grams of chopped garlic, and 2 big teaspoons of freshly crushed black pepper, or 1.5 tablespoon. This is apple cider vinegar. Take a good quality apple cider vinegar and drizzle it along. You may require about 20 to 30 ml of apple cider vinegar. Now this is vodka that makes the magic. The brand I'm using is Magic Moment. It's a premium vodka, and about 30 ml of that. And this is honey. I'm using a good quality honey. You do the same, and just squeeze in about 2 large spoons of honey. This would be about 50 ml, not more than that. Otherwise it will make the recipe too sweet. Now this is barbecue sauce. There are many varieties of barbecue sauce. This gives a lovely smoky flavor to our recipe. Add it. And this is good quality mustard sauce. Important, mustard sauce gives a nice pungent flavor. It's equally important in the recipe. Do add it. What's next? This is Italian herbs, oregano, basil, thyme, all that what we have at home. Just add them and we are good to go. What's next? Let's see. Just mix it properly, and do subscribe my channel. This is Knife and Camera, and thanks for watching Knife and Camera. After mixing well, keep this mixture in refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Before that, what we'll do, we'll tie knots out of lemongrass with the chicken. A lovely knot. This would give nice flavor and nice appeal to our chicken. And this is all done. The same way you carry on with entire lot of chicken, the way you like to do it, and just keep it in the refrigerator. Let me show you how it looks. Just one piece, a lovely knot of boneless piece of chicken, well marinated in the fridge. In the meanwhile, make your pan hot. This is a grill pan made out of cast iron. Add some refined oil, spread it along. Pan should be medium hot. Once it's hot, check the heat. It's important. Be careful while handling fire and oil. My pan is hot. Now add in your pieces of chicken. Lovely. The sizzle makes you dance. It's intoxicating. Even the neighbors would come to know that you're cooking something. And thanks for watching Knife and Camera. This is Chef Ravi Savant. I keep on making such recipes. Do subscribe to my channel. Add in entire lot of chicken which is well marinated and kept in the refrigerator. Put in some cherry tomatoes. This would give nice sourness to our chicken. A beautiful flavor of sourness. While the chicken is dancing over the pan, just roll it ups and down for even cooking. Now comes the real magic. What we do, we would be adding drizzle of vodka to this. Vodka would give it nice fruity flavor. A drizzle of vodka makes the chicken dance even more. About 30 ml of vodka would be more than enough. Now what I'll do, I will just flambe my chicken with the vodka. Heat the vodka and fire on my plate. This is what I call it. Another helping would really dance my chicken. What I do, just reheat some vodka and again flambe it with my chicken. It's a lovely recipe. Long back made a similar recipe where I flambéed my dessert. Good to go with some lettuce, basil, parsley. Enjoy the recipe and do leave your comments in the comment section. My name is Chef Ravi Savant and I keep on making such recipes.